Okay, in this lesson, I'm gonna go over Pre-noun Adjectival. What is it? And basically, Pre-noun Adjectivals, they qualify nouns pronoun, just like adjectives. And what's the difference between this and adjectives and adverb? So here's the table. Hmm. So do they conjugate? So first question, do they conjugate? Pronoun adjectives don't conjugate, and adjectives do conjugate. Adverbs don't. And can they be a complement? So like I imagine like this is big, and in this case, big. This one is a complement. Just like in English, the adjectives in Japanese can be a complement, but pronoun adjectives, adverbs cannot. So do they qualify nouns? Pronoun adjectives, yeah, they do, and adjectives do, of course. And adverbs can qualify some specific nouns, as I explained in an earlier episode. And can they qualify verbs? Pronoun adjectives can't. Adjectives actually can qualify verbs, but I'm gonna explain this in later episodes. And adverbs obviously can qualify verbs. This is a main function. And so it's not really, if you look at the table, it's not really complicated. The function is very simple, and they don't conjugate either. So okay, and what makes it more, what makes it easier is that they have so the number is limited. The number of the vocabs is quite limited and also very similar. Like they most of them end with these characters. No, ru, na, ta, da. Here are some of them. So この、その、どの, I introduced these demonstratives in another episode. These are categorized as pronoun adjectivals. ほんの、ある、あらゆる、大きな、小さな、おかしな、大した、飛んだ. So, like this. And one thing you might get confused about this is after you learn adjectives, so there's very similar one, like 大きい、大きな. You might wonder, like, are they related? They kind of are, but like in the modern Japanese, they are two separate words. So one of them is basically an archaic word coming from the classical Japanese. So yeah, that's how it is. So actually, many of these pronoun adjectives are kind of like archaic words coming from the classical Japanese. But like it's not it. But you don't really have to go into like classical Japanese, but you can just memorize these words used in modern Japanese per se. Okay, so this is the basics of pronoun adjectives.